Yeah, okay, I think, yeah. So, good morning, everybody. Hi.
Hi.
We are here live with Vivian Hair Design, and Fanny is here. I'm gonna show you her hair. She has very, very long hair, and she's tired of long hair. She's telling me to cut it all short. So I want to share it with you, and she want me to put her some color because her root is very, very dark, as you see, guys. She have very dark roots. She don't like it, so she wanna be nice blonde hair with a lovely, nice haircut. So I'm gonna film everything. I'm gonna put the videos later all, but by now we'll ask Fanny, how do you feel?
Nervous. Nervous.
She's a little bit nervous, guys, because she want to change, and you want to change your hairstyle.
Yeah,
What do you want me to do for you, please?
yes, please. Definitely.
Nice haircut, yeah? Yeah?
You are good, so I trust you.
Guys, she trusts me, so she want me to do her a nice hairstyle. Actually, we are thinking to cut her till here. We're gonna remove all this hair from here and some layer, and I'm gonna put her some nice highlights. So stay with us, guys, to see the result. And she told me she wanna be like young, so we're gonna make you young, yes?
Yes, please.
Okay, guys, stay with us so you can see the result later. Thank you. Bye. Film you from this side because that side we didn't see the color nice. This is funny, and we did for a hair transformation today from very long hair to a beautiful, nice bob a haircut. Lovely, nice, natural blonde hair color. Look at it, guys. I really love it. It's beautiful. Very nice, from very long hair to short hairstyle and very natural color. Look at it. I love it. It's gorgeous. So ask Fanny. Thank you for visiting us here. How do you feel? Are you happy?
I'm very happy. Nice. I love it.
Thank you so much, Fanny. This was Fanny from Belgium. She's happy. We're happy, guys. This was from long hair to short hair, bob haircut for Fanny. Thank you so much.